In this guide, I'll show you how to create and link a Nintendo account to your Nintendo Switch 2. So from the home menu, select System Settings in the bottom right. Then you want to scroll down on the left sidebar to Users. Now we're going to select Add User, and scroll down and select Add Without Signing In. Now here you're going to have to select an icon for your account, so select whichever one you'd like. Then you have to give a nickname for this user, and press the plus button once you've done so. Now this user is going to be added to your system, so you can press OK. Now you want to select the user from here, and we're going to select Sign into a Nintendo account. Now that will bring you to this page where you want to scroll down and select Create a New Account, and you can either send account creation instructions via email, or if you have your phone, you can scan the QR code, which will bring you to this page. Now you want to select Create a Nintendo Account in the top right corner. Then I'm going to select for users age 13 and older. You can select the other option if you need to. And from here, you can create an account with your Google account, or sign up with Apple, or you can enter in all this information manually below to create your Nintendo account. So after you've created your Nintendo account, it's going to bring you to this section where you're going to have to link it. And do bear in mind that once this is done, you will not be able to change your linked account. So if you're okay with all this information, select a link. And now you'll be signed into your Nintendo account, so you can press OK and you're all ready to go. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.